Hey guys, Frytech here. This is just a quick video for those of you who want to make pickem predictions at CS2 Austin Major, Blast Austin Major 2025. And I've made a video some time ago showcasing a new website called majors.im, and it was a beautiful website, still is, to see the predictions and everything, but for some reason they haven't updated like pickems for 2025 CS2 Major, for this particular Austin Major. And so in case you still need to do this, in case you are sort of away from the computer, I have found at least like 2 ways apparently how to do it using trusted sources, because obviously you don't really want to give access to your Steam account to some like random websites. As I'm speaking, I'm going to put a few screenshots just to illustrate what I'm talking about, but I'm not going to be like doing the whole video essentially about it. I recommend essentially right now there is 2 options. HLTV.org, this is a quite trustworthy sort of source of like CS news in general, but on that website it's a little kind of harder seemingly to make pickems, because you need to create like new account and like link your Steam account with it, and seemingly like as this stage sort of progresses, stage 1 of the major, you cannot even look at this sort of stage 2 and stuff like that. So it's a little kind of clunky, but from my understanding there will be like a sync button where once we have the list of teams who play with who at the stage 2 opening matches and stuff like that, this whole sort of section will be unlocked essentially, and you will be able to make pickems and then sync it with your Steam account essentially. But then the second seemingly better option is to use Blast's website. Blast is the current organizer of Austin 2025 Major, and they have pickems as well on their website. You still need to make an account and you need to link sort of Steam account with your Blast account, but it seems like it's a little bit better because at the very least it sort of gives you sort of the access to check right now stage 2, stage 3, and I linked my account and it showed me sort of what I've already sort of gotten correctly. I will once again put it on the screen, and yeah, it seems like it's working. It marks sort of the challenges like you have inside the CS2, and so yeah, seemingly right now the better option is to use Blast's website and do the pickems there. If there will be some updates regarding majors.im website, I will pin them in the comments or put them in the description, so check that. But so far I think Blast's website is the best way to make pickems if you are away from the computer. And actually Blast even gives you this sort of ability to buy or redeem viewer pass like from the website. Essentially it gives link to Steam website essentially, and yeah, you can essentially sort of buy this whole kind of a pass through the Blast, then kind of link it with your Steam, I guess, and then place your predictions essentially via the Blast website, essentially never needing to open like the game, which is pretty cool actually. And yeah, I think I can recommend it, because once again, you don't want to give your credentials, access to your Steam account to some random who knows what kind of websites, and Blast is at least like reliable, like known tournament organizer of this particular major, and HLTV is also very well-known website in CS community. So yeah, at the very least you can try use those 2. I'll put the links in the description, so check it out. And yeah, happy predictions. I don't know if I will make videos about predicting sort of this whole sort of majors, stuff like that, but in case you're wondering, I've already gotten my 5 first sort of correct predictions. So yeah, so I don't know, maybe I'll just make some community post essentially about my predictions, and yeah, we'll see. Anyway, yeah, happy CS2 watching experience, and yeah, happy predictions, and yeah, see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.